Specific performance is an equitable remedy that requires a party who has breached a contract to perform his or her obligations under the agreement. In Reier Broadcasting Company versus Kramer, the Montana Supreme Court considered the role of specific performance in the application of a state statute to a noncompete agreement. Reier Broadcasting Company owned several radio stations in Gallatin County. It had purchased exclusive broadcast rights to all athletic events at Montana State University, located in Bozeman. In 2001, at the behest of the university, Reier entered into an employment contract with Montana State's head football coach, Michael Kramer. Reier agreed to pay Kramer $10,000 a year in exchange for Kramer's working as an announcer and a commentator on a weekly football program. The agreement was to remain in effect until 2004. The contract contained a provision stating that Kramer wouldn't perform or permit his name to be used in connection with any other radio or television program. In 2002, Reier's agreement with Montana State for exclusive broadcast rights expired, and Montana State sought bids from other broadcasting companies. Its request for proposal stated that the successful company would be required to broadcast interviews and commentary programs featuring Kramer. Reier notified the university that this conflicted with its employment agreement with Kramer. Montana State refused to amend the request for proposal and disqualified Reier as a potential bidder. It awarded broadcast rights to Clear Channel Communications and informed Kramer that he'd be appearing on Clear Channel programs. Reier sought an injunction to prevent Kramer from providing services to Clear Channel. It argued that contracts for personal services by a person who holds a unique position can be indirectly enforced by preventing that person from performing those duties for another. Though Reier conceded that it couldn't force Kramer to fulfill his contractual obligations to Reier, it could prevent him from providing his services to Reier's competitors until his employment agreement with Reier expired. The court refused to issue an injunction. It found that the agreement between Reier and Kramer was a personal services contract, and as such, under state law, it couldn't be specifically enforced. The court reasoned that if it couldn't order specific performance, it likewise couldn't prevent Kramer from doing something in violation of the contract. Reier appealed to the Montana Supreme Court.